Unable to accept invite error on Discord. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me PeopleMissNet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix or why the unable to accept invite Discord option appears error. And now first things first, now what you'll have to understand is Discord displays the unable to accept invite error when or if the invitation link expires, the link has already been used by the maximum number of users permitted, or the server admin has revoked it manually. Now suppose you have an invitation on Discord, group invitation or the invitation there, and you want to accept it and it says unable to accept, then it might be that the invitation link has already expired, or it might mean that the number of users allowed or permitted to join through the link has already maxed out, or that the admin of the server that you got invitation from has revoked it or has revoked the link manually. Now you may also not be able to join a server if Discord servers go down or your device loses connection to the internet, so make sure that you are connected to the proper internet. Or if it is the servers that is the issue, then you might want to wait for a couple of minutes or hour and then try back again later. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.